Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error that says class not registered on Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in Component Services. Best Match should come back with exactly that. Go ahead and just left click on that to open it up. Double click on the Component Services tab. Do the same thing for computers, and then same thing for my computer. Finally, there should be a DCOM config folder in here. Just left click on that one time. And once you've done that, you can close out of here. Open up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select Edit, and then select Paste to paste it in. Hit Enter on your keyboard to run this. So once that's done running, go ahead and close out of here. One more thing to do would be to open up the Start menu, type in Settings. Best Match should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the Apps tile. Select Default Apps on the left panel here. And then on the right side, scroll down and where it says Reset to the Microsoft recommended defaults, go ahead and select Reset. You may have to change your default web browser or other applications back once you're done here, but this is important. And then once you're done with that, you can close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.